Are you looking for a fast and easy way to zoom in and out of your documents in Adobe Photoshop? Now, of course, you could do this the old-fashioned way with the magnifying glass tool or by using the Z shortcut, but switching tools can slow you down and break up your flow. So what if there was a more efficient way to zoom in and out of your document without switching tools? Fortunately, doing that is very easy here in Photoshop using the scroll wheel. All we have to do is with any tool selected, we can hold the Alt key or the Option key on a Mac and use the scroll wheel on our mouse to zoom quickly in and out of our document. And you can see it depends on where your mouse is on the page. Photoshop will automatically zoom in and out of the point that your mouse is over at that moment, allowing you a great amount of control on where you're zooming into. But what if you want to zoom in and out of your document without holding down any keys while using the scroll wheel? Well, we can do that too. All we have to do is go up here to Edit, then go to Preferences and Tools. Or on a Mac, you would go up and click the word Photoshop in your top bar and then go to Preferences and Tools. And now if we click on that, it brings up our tool preferences. An option that we're looking for is right here labeled Zoom with Scroll Wheel. So let's go ahead and check that box and then we can select OK. Now without holding down any keys at all, I can zoom in and out very quickly just by using the scroll wheel, making this an incredibly fast part of our workflow. Now I'll say that I personally always leave this setting on, especially when I'm working on a Windows machine. It can be a little bit more finicky when I'm on a Mac, especially if I'm using the Magic Mouse. Normally I'm a huge fan of the Magic Mouse, but the scroll can be a little bit touchy, especially since it's touch sensitive instead of a mechanical wheel. So sometimes it zooms in and out without me actually wanting it to. So that might be one deciding factor in what settings you want to use for yourself. But for me, whenever I'm using a mechanical scroll wheel, I always use these settings. Now a little bonus tip, if you're ever having trouble recentering your artboard, remember that you can quickly double click on this hand icon and it will automatically fit your artboard to the screen. I do this all the time to reset my view as I'm working. Alternatively, you could also use the shortcut Control-D or Command-D on a Mac, and it would accomplish the same thing, but I find it easier just to double click. And that's all you need to know to quickly and efficiently zoom in and out of your documents in Adobe Photoshop. And now that you've mastered zooming in and out of your document, did you know that you can quickly and easily stack your type and create dynamic typographic layouts in Adobe Photoshop? I have a video right here to show you how.